What is going on YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. This is Sevier, and today for you guys I have a brand new sneaker review, and the sneaker that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today is the Nike Air Max 270 React ENG Cactus Trails, which is the Travis Scott collab, of course. And before we get into the review of this sneaker right here, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'd appreciate the support from you guys and just help increase my content and help me grow more as a creator. But with all that being said, let's get right into the review. The first one to get into before we get into the actual shoe is going to be the box of the sneaker. And for this collab, Travis Scott and Nike decided to do a vintage Nike box from the 90s to have the Air Max 270 ENG in. And I like the touch here, obviously the old school Nike box. If you guys do know, this Nike box came with like the Bread 11s as well, because at the time that's the type of box you guys use. Obviously here you guys see it says Just Do It, have the Nike logo on the top. And then on the sticker we have, it says Air Max 270 Cactus Trails. I got a size 10.5 for this pair, and the color reads light cream starfish. And here's just a little look at the tag right here, if you guys can see right there. And then on the other side of the box we have a Nike swoosh, Nike logo, but that's basically the box. Nothing too crazy here, pretty simplistic. But on the inside of the box they did give it a nice touch and threw the Nike the Cactus Jack logo as well as the Cactus Trails writing on it. So that's a nice little touch right here. So as for the shoe itself, guys, this is the latest collaboration again between Nike and Travis Scott. Obviously with any Travis Scott shoe or collaboration, it's obviously gonna be hyped up, and a lot of people want this shoe. Most people want it to resell, but there's a bunch of people that want to keep it for the personal. And again, this is an interesting model because Travis Scott has already chosen models when he does his collabs with like established sneakers, like whether it's a Jordan or a Nike Dunk or an Air Force One, but he's never done something like on a newer model like this, where it's a more recent release and it's not like considered a classic to a lot of like sneakerheads and stuff. So it was really interesting seeing how these did, and obviously of course these did sell out, and a huge demand on them obviously for it being a Travis Scott shoe. But overall though, I think they're not the best looking. They are kind of ugly, but at the same time I think this is an example of a sneaker that would look better on feet than holding it in hand. So there is a lot of detail going on within this sneaker, and then when I guys do show you the on feet, you'll see how it looks a lot more nicer than when I'm holding it right here. But with the detailed stuff, I'm probably going to start from bottom to top just to cover it, because there's a bunch of stuff that is going on here. So starting with the bottom of the sneaker, obviously here we have our React bottoms, and this is typical with the Nike React sneakers because you've seen this with the previous Air Max 270 React. And on the ENG model they didn't change anything different. One of the more notable things about this shoe that caught a lot of people off guard was this finish right here on the React midsole and the Air Max bubble. Obviously it's a like a piss brown, or like a weird looking brownish color that is more so of an antique finish, because this shoe is inspired by like 90s hiking trail shoes and stuff, so that's what has this finish right here. But as you can see, this finish is throughout the entire React midsole and the air bubble, and it's not a bad touch in my opinion. And the thing is interesting that this shoe does come with a disclaimer tag here, and again it reads to you that the shoe has a antique finish on it that is purely cosmetic, and if you guys do put any water or anything on this finish on the midsole, that paint is going to go away. So definitely be careful when you're going to be wearing this shoe, because it can mess up the midsole, and I feel like without the finish on this it might not look as nice. It might look a little bit more weird. So just definitely something to keep an eye out, keep a notice, and that's why they had a disclaimer tag on the side. And then with the upper of the sneaker, the ENG has the panel overlays, unlike the original Air Max 270 React where it was mostly a engineered mesh upper. So these panels do cover again the engineered mesh, and these panels are in a light creamish colorway like it says in the box color tag. And overall I think the colorway is clean too, it's not too bad. If you guys can see, we have a Nike check as well over this sweatpant like cotton material, which is also a very interesting touch and interesting use of material going on. It's definitely interesting that he would use that, but again it makes the shoe stand out a lot more, makes it more look like a collab. And you have the orange again Nike check on it. On the back we have, on the heel we have a brown nubuck material that's covering right here, and on our pull tab on the back we have the Cactus Jack branding that's in orange right here as well, if you guys can see over there. Again, getting to the medial side, we again have the same thing, the light creamish color of the upper with the panels, and we again the sweatpant material with the orange Nike check right here. And then we have on the toe box the brown nubuck material that's covering it, and then we have a white Nike logo, Nike swoosh over here, covering the shoe. So that's basically what the upper consists of. And then getting into the tongue of the sneaker as a whole, we have here a greenish tint, I believe, like grayish greenish, like lace holes here that covers the overlays right here. The laces itself is more of a light grayish color in my opinion, and then we have red overlays as well here for the laces. And then the actual like tongue pull tab is again this gray color or light creamish color with the orange Air Max branding. And then we have a kind of retro looking lace lock here. It's purple, it has the orange Nike swoosh, and it has the blue little button to push it, you know, to see how that works. And then the actual tongue of this shoe right here is more of this like soft material, and again it consists of that grayish light green color blocking or colorway. So that's basically the tongue of the sneaker. And then lastly, getting to the inside, as you can see, the inner sock liner of this shoe is again in this like grayish green tint color. And then on the inside of the inserts here, we have a Cactus Jack like Nike swoosh logo right here. You've seen the frowny face, you know, Cactus Jack logo, so that's his like own touch on this one. And on the other shoe, he has a Cactus Jack branded logo in the shoe insert. So that's basically the entire detail of the shoe right here. There is a lot going on here, a lot of different materials that Travis Scott used when designing this model. And overall, I give it a good A for effort. I think they did put a lot of thought and creativity when it came into the sneaker. Again, the upper is cool and stuff, and you can, you know, it is supposed to be like an antique looking shoe, so that's why the colors are a little weird and a little off. But I do like the creativity of it. Is the shoe the best looking shoe? Definitely not. On the upper, I do recall Brad Hall, when they were like introducing this Nike shoe out, he did he painted or spray painted a Nike Travis Scott swoosh on the upper of the shoe. And does that enhance the shoe or make the shoe look better? No, not really. It's only for cosmetic and improves that. Would I personally do it? Maybe. I do kind of like it a lot, but I only have one pair of these and I don't want to mess the shoe up, so I might not do it. But again, Brad Hall did that and it looked kind of nice on this shoe. But again, it's an okay looking shoe. If you guys do want it though, it is one of the more cheaper Travis Scott shoes because it's not the most popular model to get on the resale market right now. And for sizing wise on this sneaker, I would recommend going true to size for this shoe. I did go half size down in this one, but the half size fit for me fine. So if you do want, if necessary, you can go half size down, but again, my recommendation is going true to size on this model. But again, that's my overall thoughts on this sneaker right here. Nothing too crazy. Again, just a nice little Travis Scott shoe that we have here. That's basically what I have to say about this. I know I said a lot about this sneaker already, and I will show you guys an on-feet look on this, but please let me know what you guys do think of this shoe right here. Do you guys appreciate it? Do you guys like it a lot? Or would you just resell these if you guys did get them for retail? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Also, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell when I do receive more videos and upload more videos, because it would help me out more if you guys did that for me and I'd really appreciate it. Also, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian. The Instagram on the bottom left corner of this video. And I appreciate you guys for watching the video and for the support. Peace.
You gotta slow down, you ain't got no zoom. Big rock diamonds, yamming yoon. Purple lemonade, puff it out them fumes. Heating up like last day in June. Niggas still in my drip, that shit cool. See Yelly and Taylor, let me polish my jewels. I chose her face, I pay for her groom. No time, no waste, I'm taking off soon. Case out on jet, try fly to the moon. Looking like who is he? Gunning no runner, he move like me. Yeah, got foreigns a moving fleet. So choppers like who is security? Boo. I fly right in to meet up at the room. She don't know your name, but she know all my tunes. I pass to the lows and he shout it to Jones. You can't try none of the brothers try you. If you try one of those, you get put on the news. Pull up in that little Bentley truck, I ain't come here to lose. Made it the club, what I forgot to say she had a dude. Bag full of money and all of these hundreds is blue. I know you proud of me, AP I don't do apologies. Cartoon on my priority, punches on my new Amira jeans. Young gun drip guy, I fly with no wings. I let her use my card to secure her needs. Had to tell her girl these pearls not beat. Get high in the sky, I fly with my weed. Got no zoom. Big Big rock diamonds, yeah, I'm in Yoon. Purple lemonade, puffin' out them fumes. Heating up like last day in June. Niggas still in my drip, that shit cool. See, yelling and tail and polish my jewels. I chose her face, I pay for her groom. No time, no waste, I'm taking off soon. Can't say I don't ditch, try fly to the moon. Looking like who is he? Gunning no runner, he move like me. Yeah, got foreigns a moving fleet. Told choppers like who is security? Boo. I fly right in to meet up at the room. She don't know your name, but she know all my tunes. I pass to the low, and he shout at the Jones. You can't try none of the brothers try you. If you try one of those, you get put on the news. Pull up in that little Bentley truck, I ain't come here to lose. Made it the club, put her forgot it, said she had a dude.